Today, let's dive into a topic that every small business owner has to deal with: payroll services. Payroll can be complex, but with the right tools, it doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. The right payroll service will help you streamline payroll, stay compliant with tax regulations, and keep your team paid on time. In this video, we're covering 9 top-rated payroll solutions specifically designed for small businesses in 2024. Stick around to the end, we'll cover unique benefits for each platform, and you don't want to miss a solution that could fit your business perfectly. Kicking off the list is Gusto, a platform that we frequently recommend for its comprehensive features and intuitive user experience. Gusto offers a full-service approach to payroll and HR, providing automatic tax filings, direct deposits, and easy handling of end-of-year tax forms like W-2s and 1099s. For a small business owner, that's already a huge load off your back. What makes Gusto really stand out is its focus on making payroll benefits and HR easy for any business owner, whether you have a dedicated HR team or you're handling it solo. Now, beyond payroll, Gusto offers various employee benefits, including health insurance, retirement savings plans, and even Gusto Cash Out, which lets employee access part of their earned wages ahead of payday. This feature can really improve employee satisfaction by giving them financial flexibility. Their customer support is well regarded, with options for phone, email, and chat assistance, plus onboarding tools that make adding new employees a breeze. Features like customizable offer letters and digital forms simplify hiring, which is really great for any growing business. Gusto also has competitive pricing with a base rate at a per employee cost, making it scalable as you grow. We have additional Gusto reviews on the channel linked down in the description below if you want to learn more about how it could specifically benefit your business. If you're ready to get started with Gusto, we'll also leave a link to get started with them down below in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And if you go ahead and get started by using this link, you're going to go ahead and get 2 months free, which is a really good deal. So go ahead and check the link down below in the description. Next, we have OnPay. So OnPay is an excellent choice if you're looking for a no-frills, reliable payroll service that covers all the essentials. OnPay handles key tasks like payroll processing, tax filing, and workers' compensation, ensuring that your business stays compliant without the need for extra software. It's also great for businesses with diverse staffing needs, as it handles multiple employee types, from W-2 employees and 1099 contractors to even seasonal staff, all in one place. One of OnPay's unique selling points is its integration capabilities with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This integration is especially valuable for small businesses needing seamless financial data flow between payroll and bookkeeping. Additionally, OnPay offers HR tools like onboarding, PTO tracking, and document storage, helping you keep all your employee records in one accessible place. OnPay's transparent pricing is a big plus, with no hidden fees and customer support available via phone and email. Their straightforward platform, strong HR functionality, and integration with accounting softwares make it ideal for growing businesses that need reliability and ease of use without breaking the bank. Next up is QuickBooks Payroll. So for those already using QuickBooks for accounting, QuickBooks Payroll is just a natural add-on. The platform offers automated tax filing, employee benefits, and direct integration with QuickBooks Online, allowing payroll and accounting data to stay perfectly in sync. With QuickBooks Payroll, you reduce the chance of errors and keep all of your financial data connected. A standout feature here is the same-day direct deposit, which can be a real advantage for managing cash flow. QuickBooks Payroll also automatically calculates and files taxes, keeping you compliant with federal and state regulations. The platform's 3-tiered plans, the core, the premium, and the elite, provide a good flexibility. The elite plan even offers access to an HR advisor and a tax penalty protection guarantee, which can provide peace of mind if you're handling payroll in a complex regulatory environment. Though priced higher than some alternatives, QuickBooks Payroll's robust features and seamless QuickBooks accounting integration justify the cost for small businesses that already rely on QuickBooks for accounting. The combination of payroll and accounting in one system can save you significant time and also help reduce errors. Next is ADP, and ADP is a well-established name in the payroll industry, known for catering to businesses of all sizes. While they work with larger enterprises, ADP also offers scalable solutions for small and medium-sized businesses as well, with flexible plans that grow as you do. This scalability makes ADP a great choice if you plan to expand in the coming years and you need a payroll solution that can grow with you and your business. ADP's platform includes payroll processing, compliance resources, and HR tools. Their mobile app is one of the best in the industry, allowing you to manage payroll, access reports, and handle employee requests from anywhere. This flexibility can be a game changer if you're a business owner who's often on the go. Plus, they offer dedicated account managers and a range of compliance tools that can help you navigate the ever-changing regulations and stay on top of your tax filings. ADP's pricing is tailored to your business's needs, which means it's best to request a quote to understand the full cost. If your business is growing fast or you're dealing with complex HR requirements, ADP's advanced features, scalability, and support could be well worth the investment. If you want to get started with ADP, we'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description to get started today. Paychex. So Paychex is another versatile option, particularly for small to mid-sized businesses needing payroll and more extensive HR support. Paychex covers essential payroll tasks like tax filings, direct deposits, and W-2 forms, but it also shines in its flexibility, allowing businesses to add on services as they grow. One of Paychex's key benefits is its ease of use. The platform includes an employee self-service portal, robust reporting tools, and a mobile app that lets both employers and employees access their information on the go. Additionally, Paychex offers 24/7 customer support, which can be a lifesaver if you need help outside of regular business hours. Paychex's multiple pricing plans are designed to accommodate various business sizes and budgets, making it a really versatile choice for small businesses that want a comprehensive payroll and HR solution. Its flexibility, ease of use, and customer support make it a solid choice if you need a payroll platform that's capable of growing with your business. Next is SurePayroll. SurePayroll is a straightforward solution best suited for small businesses already using Square's payment processing. The seamless integration with Square's payment system allows you to manage payroll alongside your sales, making it easy to track everything all in one place. SurePayroll covers all the basics, from tax filing and direct deposit to employee benefits. One of the main advantages of SurePayroll is its user-friendliness, especially for businesses that pay contractors. It offers an easy way to handle contractor payments, ensuring tax compliance and easing the burden on business owners who hire contract workers frequently. SurePayroll's pricing is transparent with a simple per-employee fee structure. Customer support is available by phone, email, and chat, making it a great fit for small business owners who prefer simplicity and straightforward pricing without the need for complex features. Next is Patriot Payroll. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills payroll solution, Patriot Payroll could be a great fit for you and your business. Patriot Payroll offers two basic options, basic and full service. With the basic plan, you handle tax filings yourself, while the full service plan manages all tax obligations for you. Both plans cover payroll processing, direct deposit, and offer an employee self-service portal. Patriot Payroll is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for those with minimal payroll experience. Its transparent pricing and focus on core payroll functionality make it accessible to businesses on a tight budget. With US-based customer support via phone, email, and chat, Patriot Payroll is a budget-friendly solution that doesn't sacrifice quality. Next is SurePayroll. SurePayroll is specifically designed for small businesses, providing a straightforward payroll solution with a user-friendly interface. It offers a 100% tax filing guarantee, meaning that you can trust SurePayroll to handle tax filings accurately and on time, reducing the risk of penalties. The platform makes payroll easy to run with just a few clicks and includes HR tools for employees onboarding, benefit management, and compliance support. The highly rated mobile app is a favorite among business owners who need payroll flexibility. With competitive and transparent pricing and support via email, phone, and chat, SurePayroll is a great option if you want simplicity and reliability. Lastly is Deluxe Payroll. So Deluxe Payroll provides a comprehensive payroll service with features that include tax filing, direct deposit, and employee self-service. Deluxe is known for its reporting tools and its compatibility with various accounting platforms, making it an excellent choice for businesses needing detailed insights into payroll data. Deluxe Payroll offers flexible plans that can be customized to fit your specific business needs. Their dedicated account managers provide personalized support, and their pricing is tailored based on your business's requirements. If you're looking for a payroll service that prioritizes customer service and offers robust reporting, Deluxe Payroll might be the right fit for you. Choosing the right payroll service. When it comes to choosing a payroll service, the best fit depends on your business's unique needs. Consider factors like integration with your current systems, the quality of customer support, as well as pricing, obviously. seriously. Many payroll providers offer free trials, so be sure to test out a couple of options to find what works best for you. Remember to think about both your current and future needs. The right payroll solution should be able to grow with your business. But that wraps up our list of the top 9 payroll services for small businesses in 2024. Now, if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down below in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use those links at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue making free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we provide an in-depth reviews and comparisons of different software tools to help you find the best software solution for streamlining your business and boosting productivity. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.